And from a company perspective, it makes you significantly stickier, right? There's far less of an opportunity for an agent or for a partner to leave for another opportunity if you have it spelled out that easy for them to use. I mean, is that a reach or?
No, I mean, technology is clearly a retention tool.
Mm-hmm.
You know, with prototypical brokerage model, it's recruiting and retention.
Yep.
We're a little bit different because we're, not only just a brokerage in Maryland, but we're a team. So, you have to deliver more value than that. And that's why we're so focused on technology, because, in previous years, we could roll out a program or we could roll out a different feature in Maryland,
Mm-hmm.
but we could not roll out that same feature or the same product or same service in different markets. Technology was inherently something that we could not only deliver the same value in Maryland as
Mm-hmm.
we could in every other market to every other partner.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're a team looking to expand to go into new markets, technology is the easiest way for you to deliver more value at the same exact cost.
Mm-hmm. That's phenomenal. That scale, ability to scale doesn't exist without that technology partner.
No, and I would even go as far as to say, if you don't have the technology, it's going to break down.
Mm-hmm.
It's like you're going to spend so much time trying to chase your tail doing the same tasks or trying to get information or trying to, we have this in every day. We have so we're based out of Maryland.
Mm-hmm.
We have partners in Florida, California, Texas, Canada, Washington State.
Mm-hmm.
We're covering, every region.
Every time zone.
Every time zone. We just brought on Kansas, Missouri, and Colorado. There's no way that you can measure and try to monitor and hold all these agents accountable and track everything they're doing and control for every situation or keep track of every issue that arises unless you're effectively using technology.
Mm-hmm.
Something as simple as, like, let's say you're trying to run a lead generation report. Let's say you're trying to look at your first your CPL, then you're trying to look at how many of those lead opportunities converted to the different stages of the conversion funnel. Just running that report
Mm-hmm.
without a technology platform is going to take you forever.
Mm-hmm.
And then by the time you finish that report, it's all outdated.
Yeah.
It's no longer applicable.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to compete in today's market, tomorrow's market, you need to be able to make quick decisions based upon real-time data.
Sure.
And that real-time data needs to come to you quickly, because as the world keeps moving faster and faster,
Mm-hmm.
so does that data get more and more outdated quicker and quicker.